Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can back up your projects on CapCut. So after you open CapCut, if you want to back up your project so that it doesn't like remove or delete accidentally, so here how to do that. So at the home page, just click on cloud button in here, and then after that, here you can see that my project is not backup, so you can just click on the backup now button like this. Click on that and choose for the project that you want to back up. For example, this one and this one, and then click on backup now at the bottom and just wait for the process to finish. Okay, so you can see the progress in here, and now it's baking up, and you can also call off or cancel the backup process if you want, or you can also pause the process. Okay, so after it finished, there will be a pop-up notification like this that the project has been baked up, and you can just click on get it. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.